Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English lesson today. Learning a new language is a beautiful journey, and I am very happy to walk this path with you. Today, we are focusing on something very important for your daily life. We are learning how to meet new people. Meeting someone for the first time can make you feel a little bit nervous, but do not worry. We are here to help you feel confident. We will use very simple and very slow English so you can understand every word. Our goal is to help you speak clearly and feel comfortable when you say hello to a stranger or a new friend. This lesson is designed to give you the tools you need for a great conversation. Please listen carefully to the sounds of the words. We will repeat many things because repetition is the key to learning. Let us start this journey together with a big smile and a positive mind. You can do this, and we are here to support you every step of the way.
Hello, I am Sarah, and I am so glad you are practicing with us today. For this lesson, we are going to imagine a very common situation. Imagine you are at a beautiful park, or maybe a quiet coffee shop. You see someone and you want to say hello. It is a sunny day and everyone is relaxed. We will use simple words that you can use every day. We will talk about our names and our jobs and where we live. We will also talk about the weather and our hobbies. This is how people start to become friends. I will speak slowly, and Mr. Only will speak slowly too. We want you to hear the rhythm of the English language. This context is perfect for beginners because the sentences are short and the meaning is very clear. Let us begin our long conversation now.
Hello, good morning. My name is Mr. Only. What is your name?
Good morning. It is very nice to meet you. My name is Sarah. How are you today, Mr. Only?
I am very well, thank you, Sarah. I am enjoying the sunshine in this park. It is a beautiful day, is it not, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. It is a wonderful day. The sun is warm and the birds are singing. Do you come to this park often, Mr. Only?
I come here every weekend, Sarah. I like to walk and breathe the fresh air. What about you, Sarah? Do you live near here?
Yes, Mr. Only. I live just 10 minutes away. I walk here with my dog. I like this park because it is very quiet. Are you from this city, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah. I am not from this city originally. I moved here 3 years ago for my work. I am a teacher, Sarah. What is your job, Sarah?
That is very interesting, Mr. Only. I am a nurse. I work at the big hospital near the city center. I like helping people very much, Mr. Only.
Being a nurse is a very important job, Sarah. You must be a very kind person. I enjoy being a teacher because I like to share knowledge, Sarah. Do you like your job at the hospital, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. I love my job, but it is sometimes very busy. That is why I come to the park to relax. Is your job as a teacher very busy too, Mr. Only?
It can be busy during the week, Sarah. I have many students and they ask many questions, but I find it very rewarding, Sarah. Sarah, do you have any hobbies that you enjoy?
I love to read books, Mr. Only. I also like to cook dinner for my family. Do you like to cook, Mr. Only?
I am not a very good cook, Sarah. I usually eat simple food, but I love to listen to music, Sarah. Music makes me feel very happy. What kind of books do you like to read, Sarah?
I like to read stories about history, Mr. Only. It is fascinating to learn about the past. Mr. Only, do you have a favorite type of music?
I like classical music, Sarah. It is very peaceful. Sarah, it was so nice to meet you today. I am glad we talked.
I am glad we talked too, Mr. Only. It is always nice to make a new friend in the park. Will I see you here next weekend, Mr. Only?
I think so, Sarah. I will look for you and your dog. What is your dog's name, Sarah?
My dog's name is Buddy, Mr. Only. He is a very friendly dog. He likes meeting new people too, Mr. Only.
I look forward to meeting Buddy next time, Sarah. Have a wonderful afternoon, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. You have a wonderful afternoon too. Goodbye, Mr. Only.
Goodbye, Sarah. See you soon.
Now, I want to explain some of the sentences we used in our conversation. When you meet someone new, you can start with a greeting like hello or good morning. It is polite to say it is nice to meet you. In part 3, I said it is very nice to meet you, Mr. Onley. This is a standard way to be friendly. We also talked about our jobs. Mr. Onley said he is a teacher, and I said I am a nurse. You can say I am a student or I am an engineer. Let us practice a different version of this. Mr. Onley, can we practice meeting at a bus stop?
Yes, Sarah, that is a great idea. Let us try. Excuse me, is this the bus to the city center, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Onley. This is the right bus stop. The bus should be here in 5 minutes, Mr. Onley.
Thank you, Sarah. My name is Mr. Only. I'm going to the library.
Hello, Mr. Onley. I am Sarah. I am going to the mall. Are you a student, Mr. Onley?
No, Sarah, I am a teacher. I'm going to the library to find some new books for my class. Do you go to the mall often, Sarah?
I go to the mall once a week, Mr. Onley. I need to buy some new shoes. The bus is late today, is it not, Mr. Onley?
Yes, Sarah, it is a few minutes late. It is usually on time. Do you take this bus every day, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Onley. I take this bus to work every morning. It is a long ride, but I can read my book on the bus, Mr. Onley.
That is a good way to use your time, Sarah. Oh, look, the bus is coming now, Sarah.
Yes, Mr. Onley. Let us get on the bus. It was nice talking to you while waiting, Mr. Onley.
It was nice talking to you too, Sarah. Have a good time at the mall, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Onley. Enjoy your books at the library. That was a good example of a short conversation at a bus stop. You see, we use the same patterns. We ask about the destination or the activity. Now, let us try one more situation. Imagine we are at a party and we both know the host. Mr. Onley, are you ready?
I am ready, Sarah. Hello, Sarah. This is a great party, isn't it, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Onley, it is a lot of fun. The music is great. How do you know our host, Mr. Onley?
I work with him at the school, Sarah. We have been friends for many years. How do you know him, Sarah?
He is my cousin, Mr. Onley. We grew up in the same neighborhood. Have you tried the food, Mr. Onley?
I have tried the cake, Sarah. It is delicious. You should try some, Sarah.
I will try some later, Mr. Onley. Right now, I am drinking some orange juice. Do you know many people here, Mr. Onley?
I know a few people from work, Sarah, but I like meeting new people like you, Sarah. It makes the party more interesting.
I agree, Mr. Onley. It is nice to step outside of our usual circles. What do you do for fun on the weekends, Mr. Onley?
I like to go hiking in the mountains, Sarah. I love nature. Do you like the outdoors, Sarah?
I like the beach more than the mountains, Mr. Onley. I like to swim and sit in the sand.
The beach is also very nice, Sarah. Maybe next time we can talk about the best beaches near here, Sarah.
I would like that very much, Mr. Onley. But now I think I will go find my cousin to say thank you for the party.
That is a good idea, Sarah. It was a pleasure meeting you, Sarah.
It was a pleasure meeting you too, Mr. Onley. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Sarah.
In these examples, we used simple questions. We asked, how do you know the host? And do you like the food? These are very easy ways to keep a conversation going. Always remember to use the person's name. It shows you are listening. Mr. Only and I always say Mr. Only or Sarah. This makes the conversation feel personal and warm.
You can practice these sentences at home. You can even practice in front of a mirror. Just say, "Hello, my name is," and then say your name. Then ask a simple question. It gets easier every time you try.
You are doing a wonderful job listening to this long script. Learning English takes time and patience. We are very proud of your progress today. By practicing these simple conversations, you are building a strong foundation for your future. Remember that everyone makes mistakes when they learn a new language. Do not be afraid to speak. Even if you only know a few words, it is better to say something than to say nothing.
Yes, Mr. Only is right. Every small step is a big victory. We hope this lesson about meeting new people was helpful for you. We used simple words and slow speech so you could follow every part of the story. You can listen to this recording many times. Each time you listen, you will understand a little bit more. You will hear the way we greet each other and the way we ask questions.
We want you to feel happy when you speak English, Sarah. We want our students to feel like they can talk to anyone in the world. English is a bridge that connects us all. Thank you for spending your time with me and with Sarah today.
Thank you from me too. You're a great student. Keep practicing and keep smiling. We will have more lessons for you soon to help you learn even more English. You are becoming better every single day.
That is true, Sarah. Consistency is very important. We are here to help you stay consistent. We will see you in the next lesson. Have a beautiful day and enjoy speaking English.
Goodbye, Mr. Only, and goodbye to all our listeners.
Goodbye, Sarah. Goodbye, everyone.